Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Audio Pro C20. A wireless speaker that promises exceptional sound quality and versatile connectivity options. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Audio Pro C20 sports a sleek and modern aesthetic. It comes in 3 color options: soft satin white, stylish gray, and classic black. The removable fabric grille attaches magnetically, revealing Audio Pro's signature driver setup underneath. At 41 centimeters wide and weighing 6.2 kilograms, it's substantial but well built, featuring a premium feel with a metal top plate and intuitive button controls. One of the standout features of the C20 is its extensive connectivity. It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Google Cast, and AirPlay 2. This wide array of options ensures seamless streaming from various devices and services. Notably, it includes HDMI ARC, RCA inputs, Toslink, and a sub-out, making it versatile for connecting to TVs, turntables, or other audio sources. This makes it not just a speaker, but a hub for your home entertainment setup. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect: sound quality. The C20 impresses with its clear, detailed sound profile. It features 2 1-inch tweeters and a 6.5-inch woofer powered by digital Class D amplifiers. This setup delivers a balanced audio experience with ample bass presence without compromising on clarity. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, the C20 provides an immersive soundstage that enhances the overall audio experience. In terms of performance, the C20 shines across different genres and media types. From energetic tracks to subtle acoustic melodies, it handles everything with finesse. The Audio Pro Control app consolidates streaming services and allows for multi-room audio setups, leveraging its compatibility with other Audio Pro speakers. Setting up the C20 is straightforward, and the app provides intuitive controls for managing playback and settings. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your smart home ecosystem, offering convenience and flexibility. Moving on to pros and cons, the C20 excels in sound quality, build design, and connectivity options. Its ability to function as both a standalone speaker and a soundbar replacement is commendable. On the downside, it's on the pricier side and lacks built-in voice assistant support. Additionally, while it's portable within a home environment, it's not designed for outdoor use due to its size and weight. Wrapping up, the Audio Pro C20 stands out as a premium wireless speaker with a robust feature set and exceptional audio performance. Whether you're an audiophile or looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup, it offers versatility and high-fidelity sound that's hard to match. Despite its higher price point, the C20 delivers on its promise of quality and convenience, making it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize audio excellence and connectivity options. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and product critiques. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Audio Pro C20 or if there's another product you'd like to see us review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.